Hi, YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere. It's Marv at GeorgeToon.com. I'm back with another Monday morning mailbag. Get yourself a cup of coffee, kick back. Let's talk a little wet shaving and some other things. What do you got this morning? I've got a new coffee in my Nerd Dogs mug. You saw my Labrador mug, my yellow Labrador mug. Well, here he is. Here is a Nerd Dog. Yeah, that's a fun mug. Yeah, new coffee. Hang on. Yeah, really, really good. I appreciate all the suggestions I've gotten from all the viewers out there regarding getting a new coffee, and I'm making notes of them, writing them down. But I happen to be at my local Trader Joe's, and they had for a limited time this coffee here, Autumn Maple Coffee. That's what I have this morning, and we're into the autumn, and this was a perfect selection for this morning because it's a nice cool morning. And yeah, it's got a little hint of maple flavor. It's light roast, 100% Arabica ground coffee. Limited time. If you have a Trader Joe's in your neighborhood, check it out. $7.99 for a bag. A little bit pricey, but you know what? Pamper yourself a little bit. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, that is absolutely terrific. And also, what's interesting about Trader Joe's, sometimes they have limited edition items like this right here. This is a Clean Up Your Act grooming kit, and when you open this thing up, you get a shaving cream, a shampoo, a body wash, and a face and body moisturizer. This is terrific, and look, it's travel size also. It really is a nice travel size. So you could probably take this and the face and body moisturizer and use that as an aftershave balm. Put that in your Dob kit, and that will travel very nicely. I picked this up last year, and again, it was a limited edition tin, and when you're done with it, you could probably use the tin for storing razors or shaving creams or something like that. So you might want to look in Trader Joe's from time to time now that the holidays are coming upon us rather quickly, and see if they offer anything like this, because they do offer some neat things for the traditional wet shave right around the holiday time. And you've seen my review about their shaving cream, which is also very, very good. I like it a lot. Let's get to some of these questions. I got some good ones this morning. Ron Culliner asks, "Hi Mark, another question for you. What are the differences in performance between tallow-based and vegan-based soaps or shave creams? What is your personal experience with it, and which do you prefer best?" Ron, great question. When I came back to the traditional wet shave, the shaving soap that really helped me was the Van der Hagen Luxury Soap. That was a very good soap for sensitive skin. It gave me a nice lather, it gave me good protection, and it had absolutely no tallow in it at all. And it was a good price point too. It was about $4 or $5. I bought it off the shelf at a big box store. I'll have a link below where you can buy it on Amazon for about the same price. You can sometimes find it on sale at a local grocer, that sort of thing. And it really is a very good soap. Creates a really, really nice, protective, slick lather. After that, I tried Taobak. Now I have Taobak here in a shave stick, but I also have Taobak in a shaving bowl. You've seen me use that before. And well, I'll just tell you, the reason why I have this is because I used this this morning for a review of a new razor. So this should tip you off as to what I reviewed. Look for it on Saturday. Anyhow, I used this, and it was like night and day. This has tallow in it. And tallow, for me, at that time, really made the difference. Now, if you do a Google search about tallow and shaving soap and in other products, if you Google something like, is tallow good or bad for your skin, you'll get an answer like this. Tallow is incredibly effective in improving skin cell health due to the similar makeup it has to our skin. Tallow is also made up of 50% saturated fats, with the remaining amount being monosaturated, making it compatible with our cell biology and powerfully nourishing our cell health. So it has all those benefits. I'll link to this article as well, and it goes on to say that tallow is rich, and they're talking about grass-fed tallow. So that's, it's organic. It has high concentrations of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and K. Also contains vitamin E. It's anti-inflammatory, as well as palmitoleic acid, which has natural antimicrobial properties. A lot there. But yeah, so there are a lot of benefits to tallow. And if you'd asked me this question a year and a half ago, I would have said tallow, 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 because there was a big shift in performance from the Vanderhagen, which was non-tallow, to this, which was tallow-based. But I think that also has to do with quality and price point as well, because earlier this year, I tried this soap, Soap Commander, which is completely animal-free. And this is fantastic. And it says right here on their label, our shaving soap is free of clay and animal products. And I get a great, slick, protective lather from this. So I would say that it really is personal preference. Comes right down to it. I've gotten good performance from tallow-based soaps, and I've gotten good performance from non-tallow-based soaps. But I also think it's the quality. It's the quality of the tallow. It's the quality of the soap overall. This price point and this price point are the same, and you know what? Either one is good for me. I just think that that's what we're talking about here. You know, if it's a good quality soap. That's what it comes down to. I've also used some tallow soaps that are at an incredible price point that are very, very good. Arco is one of those. Arco has tallow in it, and it's very, very affordable. And wow, do you get a lot of lather. The downside is the scent. A lot of wet shavers do not like the scent of Arco. However, it is a great performer. It has tallow in it. And I think that makes a difference. I also like La Toja. La Toja is another really good performer, tallow-free. And the Arco and the La Toja are right there in the same ballpark. This is a little more expensive than this. This is really very, very affordable. And it's great for travel, too. But yeah, if you had asked me this question a year and a half ago, I would have said tallow-based soaps, absolutely. But since then, I've tried so many other shaving soaps and creams that are tallow-free, and I've gotten some incredible results from them. One more, Vikings Blade. The Vikings Blade shaving cream. This will give you a light, foamy, very, very super slick kind of lather, not the thick Santa beard. Boy, your blade really glides with this. You get a lot of nice protection. Like this a lot. No tallow in it. Again, it's in the same price point as the Soap Commander and the Tabak. So yeah, great thing about the traditional wet shave is there is so much choice out there. You'll find something that works for you at your price point and what you want. If you want something that is tallow-based, if you want something that's non-animal-based, non-tallow-based, vegan-based, you can find it at your price point and something that agrees with your skin. That's what's so great. But just know that there are some benefits to tallow, and it is not, I'm not demonizing it at all. I like to use either or. Some people want to demonize tallow. Tallow is very, very good. It's got some, as you can see from what I'm reading here, it's got some really, really good things in it. But also, I'm sure that the non-tallow-based soaps also have some good ingredients that are beneficial for your skin as well. All right, hope that answered your question. This is from Sunny Michael. I have a question. Out of your choice, would you prefer a badger hairbrush, a boar hairbrush, or a synthetic hairbrush? Thanks very much for the question, Sunny. It's a really good question. You know what? When I came back to the traditional wet shave, badger brush, because that's what everyone said. And since then, this is another one of those questions. If you had told me when I came back, oh yeah, badger brush, since then, my choice has been synthetic brush. With shaving soaps, I've always said that with shaving creams, I like to use a natural brush, whether it be a badger or a boar brush. I'm getting to think that just a synthetic brush across the board. These things are fantastic. This particular one is by Vikings Blade, their Fire and Air. I like this because it's a nice size for home or travel. And the great thing about synthetic brushes is They retain a lot of water when you want them to retain a lot of water. They throw off a lot of water when you need to dry them and clean them up. They clean up incredibly fast. They dry incredibly fast. They have, depending on what you buy, they are very, very soft with nice backbone. This one offers all of that. And you can get a variety of knots. You can get a variety of handle styles. You can find them at different price points. It's amazing, and I think the technology is getting better and better and better. It is absolutely amazing. The synthetic brush that you buy today is going to be better than the synthetic brush 2 years ago, 2 months ago, really. This is how good they've gotten. And you can find them at any price point. This one is about $30. It's a very, very good brush. Something from Razor Rock like this. This was probably, I don't know, $12, $14. Very soft, good for a beginner if you want it. They don't make this one, but they make it in another style, but same kind of knot. They don't make this handle anymore. But again, this has been something that has lasted me for about 3 years now, and it's a nice performer, and it's, you know, moderately priced. You can find synthetic brushes across the board in different grades of softness, if you will. And different, because each manufacturer has a different kind of brand softness. I think Razor Rock has Pliss Soft and Yaki has something else, I don't know what it's called, but they all have a different kind of brand of softness that they market. And they're all very, very good, and you can find them at just about any kind of price point. And really the difference, a lot of them is going to be the handle and the makeup of the knot, the size of the knot, that sort of thing. But yeah, synthetic brushes, I love them. I really do. I think they're fantastic, and more I'm using them for soaps and creams, and I'm just moving away from the natural hair brushes because the synthetic brushes give me so much performance, and they lather like crazy. When I get a synthetic brush like this, and I put it into something like, you know, Soap Commander here, you know, a few swirls in the face lather, and boom, I've got lather. Just fantastic. These things are lathering machines, and they clean up real quickly, as I say. You know, very, very terrific. Just terrific, terrific, terrific. Love them a lot. Thanks very much for that question. This is from Stephen Flan, or Flan, F-L-A-N. Stephen, I hope I pronounced your name right. I'm going to go with Stephen Flan. I hope that's right. Let me know. I'm going to go with Flan, Stephen Flan. Like flannel, Stephen Flan. Hello, Mark. Just a quick note to thank you for your review of this product. He's talking about the Nivea Sensitive Shaving Cream review that I did. Let me start over. Hello, Mark. Just a quick note to thank you for your review of this product a while ago and to heartily recommend it to other viewers. I bought some on the strength of your review and just tried it for the first time. Maybe my technique is getting better. I'm new to this malarkey, as you might say, but I thought it was miraculous. First, the ease and explosion of copious amounts of lather, and then when I shave, the feeling of protection and lack of any irritation afterwards whatsoever. A fantastic product and very, very good value. I'd strongly recommend this to beginners, or as you said, to those wanting an irritation-free shave. Thanks again for the review, and best wishes, Steve from over the pond. Well, that's great, Steve. It's just amazing. I'm just so happy to hear from viewers who are on the other side of the globe, across the pond, as we say. That's really, really great. Steve, I'm assuming you're in the UK or thereabouts, and really thank you for tuning in and viewing all the time. I really do appreciate it. He was talking about the Nivea Sensitive Shaving Cream. The reason why I included his comment was due to our discussion about tallow-based and non-tallow-based shaving soaps and cream. This one doesn't have any tallow in it. And the ingredients listed on this are water, stearic acid, palmitic acid, cocos nucifera, which is coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, etc., etc., etc. There's no tallow in here. And you get a great lather, nice protection. It's great for sensitive skin, and there's no tallow in here. And again, it's a great value. It's not readily available in the States as it is, say, in Europe and other parts of the world, but you can get it through Amazon, and I'll link it below. And you can get a fairly good price. I think it comes down to about $5 per tube if you buy a 3-pack. but it really is a very, very good product. And again, going back to our discussion of tallow, non-tallow, this is non-tallow based. So there are a lot of really, really good shaving creams and soaps out there that are vegan or non-tallow based. There are a lot of shaving soaps and creams out there that are tallow based that are wonderful. And again, on the other side of the coin, there are some tallow based soaps and creams that are it depends on price point and quality. I would look around and see what other wet shavers are saying, but some of the ones that I've shown you here today are absolutely wonderful and fantastic. Parasso Green is another one that I don't believe has any tallow in it, and it's a terrific shaving soap. You've seen me use that before, and it's wonderful. So yeah, that's why I say time and again, if you're not doing the traditional wet shave, do the traditional wet shave. There is so much available out there. It's absolutely amazing. It's like it's exploding right before our eyes. You can get razors and brushes and blades and shaving creams and shaving soaps. There is so many choices out there. You'll find something that is well suited for your face, your beard, and your wallet. All right, hey, thanks very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. That's it for now. Please subscribe, please share, please like. Hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below, let me know. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this. Check out my Amazon product page at amazon.com/shop/markserati for all the products I review on this channel. You can find everything there, categorized and organized very, very easily, so that you can find everything very, very easily. You'll find everything there. You know what I mean. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Make it a great week.